the refurbished iPhone 15 truly worth your hard-earned money? Let's explore what sets this device apart. From its innovative features to its performance and overall value. Whether you're considering an upgrade or your first iPhone, here's what you need to know. Apple's design philosophy shines through with the iPhone 15. Its 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display delivers richer colors and sharper clarity, making every video and photo pop. The introduction of Dynamic Island creates an interactive space for notifications and calls. Plus, the refurbished model uses aluminum made from 100% recycled materials, highlighting Apple's commitment to sustainability and a greener future. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 features the A16 Bionic chip, offering seamless multitasking and gaming. Compared to the previous Apple A15 Bionic chip, it's 30% more power efficient, translating to longer battery life without sacrificing speed. For anyone who values performance, this is a noticeable leap forward. Photographers will appreciate the new 24-megapixel wide sensor, which excels in low-light conditions. Improvements in computational photography let you capture stunning portraits and landscapes, pushing creative boundaries for both amateurs and professionals. Running on iOS 17, the iPhone 15 offers personalized screens, smarter notifications, and smart suggestions that adapt to your habits, making daily tasks smoother and more intuitive. So, is the refurbished iPhone 15 worth it? With advanced features, sustainable design, and top-tier performance, it's a compelling upgrade for many users.